Hey guys, how you doing? Welcome back to my channel. It's been over a month and I miss you. Thank you for being patient. I just needed a break to recuperate. My health went downhill. My energy levels weren't right. I had no motivation at all and I was depressed and I don't want to take a video at all, so I had to take a break. I visited my doctor and found out my hormones level were so low, so they put on my thyroxine, and since then I have slowly been getting better. And I'm going to have another blood test soon, but I think because of COVID-19 might be cancelled. So yeah, anyway, I hope you're all doing well despite the pandemic. So much going on, so stay safe. I don't want to talk about it here because probably you've heard enough about it. So please look after yourself, stay home, and keep safe. Okay, into video. Some of you probably remember I said this in my Camellia Compact Star Plant Diary. Play. Our house has a lack of humidity and I don't have humidifier, and I don't think I'm going to buy one anymore. Because I don't like my house suffering from damp. I know there's a decent one out there, but I'm not convinced anymore. I will give you more details about it. I have a video coming up for that, and I'm still currently working on it. It's very dramatic, guys. So stay tuned. So during quarantine or lockdown, Happy and I finally had a chance to do this project. So embrace yourself because it's shocking. So yeah, without further ado, please subscribe, hit the bell, get your tea ready, and let's get into this video. Okay guys, some of you probably know that I owned a Alocasia poly plant. I featured this in a Halloween video. I will link it in the description bar if you're interested in it. Anyway, after I did the video, I noticed the plant was struggling. I researched the plant and discovered it needed high humidity. So I brought my humidifier from work and set it up in our spare room and ran it for 24/7 for almost a week to keep this Alocasia plant alive. And guess what? Guess what? Molds! Lots and lots of mold built up in the room. The plant died. It was winter, probably went dormant, and then boom, our spare room was in a terrible state. I'm not going to use humidifier again in our house, never, even if you paid me. Just a disclaimer, guys, I never knew that you needed good ventilation and heat source when you are using humidifier to prevent this kind of scenario. My small room has neither, so there's pros and cons that you have to be aware of when you are using this kind of gadget. Yeah, I learned my lesson, so embrace yourself, guys, because this is so embarrassing. So guys, when I removed the shelving, it revealed the full extent of the damage. The molds had spread so quickly. I was shocked and disgusted. Also, we discovered the roof had been leaking and the water had came in around the window. to get rid of the stuff that we don't need because we're trying to sort out our spare room. So yeah, that's where we're heading first, and then we're going to the garden center to get moss because I'm planning to do terrarium. Terrarium? Is that how you pronounce it? Terrarium? Terrarium? Yeah, because I bought this, what do you call this plant? Begonia. It's so pretty, and I'm planning to put it in a terrarium, just a tiny one. So I'm going to find a moss and coal. So yeah. Guys, before we leave this place, we're going to the wheel shop to have a look, just to look around. We're not gonna buy anything, we're just gonna have a look around.
I haven't
looking for a junk honey.
No, I haven't seen one of these in a very long time.
What's that?
It's for making paper blocks.
Paper blocks?
Paper blocks that go in the fire.
Is that an ancient?
I'm sure it's the same thing, or it's very like it. Fill it up full of paper. You just push it down thing. But actually no. No, it's not just quite the same, but it looks awful like it. What's that say? A brick maker. Ah, it is.
A brick maker.
Yeah, it is. It's basically that. It's the same thing.
So before I reveal the finished room, guys, I just want to say that this room has been through many transitions. My hubby used to use it as an exercise room, and then we used it as a guest room, then became my dressing room, and finally a storage room. So this final transition is into dining room slash office slash plant room, etc, etc. And I tried to give this room a minimalistic jungle vibe. So as you can see, I cleaned up all the molds and I removed the wallpaper, and my hubby helped me to plaster all the holes in the walls and window. Then I painted it and so on. And then we removed a lot of stuff from the spare room, and I took all of it away, and most of it went to reclamation yard. And then now I'm so happy because I have a plant room where I keep most of my big plants, my neglected plants, my seedlings, and all that jazz. I know you're so ready, guys, so I hope you like it. Eek! Okay, this is my dining table and chairs with my plants, which is sitting against the wall at the moment, but can be pulled out when it's needed. I just want to create some space. This was originally for my nail polish holder, but I don't use it anymore, so I use it as a hanging garden. I love it. This is my butterfly collection, and I have had it for so many years because I love butterflies. They have special meaning to me. This paint, my hubby bought this when we first met, and he has had it ever since. It reminds me of home. I got this rocking chair from my friend Melanie. It never really fit in anywhere before. Now it has a new home, and this is the spot where I get natural vitamin D from the sun. And here I recycled the bookshelves from my old bookcase. Hubby put them up for me. And this was my old fish tank, soon to become my new terrarium. And I recently received this plant from my beautiful plant friend Adele. And these two succulents I received from my niece. And then we made this giant Jenga 2 years ago for a big barbecue party we held in the summer. This plant holder is a DIY we made just this last week. This is the statement wallpaper that I choose for this corner to give the room a little color and the jungle vibe. And I got this image from a Christmas advent calendar. I cut it out and frame it. And hubby's old dartboard, we got it from his parents. The doilies are a gift from my mother-in-law. This was a gift from my friend Ate Monet. This is a traditional game, sungka from the Philippines. Okay, this is my potting up tray / station. Some of my seedlings. And this is seeds that I'm growing from Lisa of Lisa's Green Leaves. These pots here are for my tomato and chili plants. I'm going to grow them indoor as I have more success this way. Only the ceiling to do. Due to lockdown, we can get any decorating materials, so we will leave it for now. I was supposed to paint this, but when I did, it all fell off, so we are planning to paper it and remove the old paint, but for now, there is nothing more we can do. there you go, guys. This is what I have been up to lately. Thank you for your time and patience, and please subscribe to help this channel. Much appreciated. Hit the like button and stay home, stay safe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!